Hey y'all, today we're making spicy deep fried chicken livers, so let's get started. We start by adding some Creole seasoning, some table salt, and some cayenne pepper puree to some buttermilk. You want to combine well. This mixture is what we'll use for our marinade. As always, ingredients, measurements, and links to seasoning are in the description box. Next, after removing any excess fat from our livers, rinsing them, and draining them, let's submerge the livers in our seasoned buttermilk marinade. Make sure they are thoroughly coated. Then allow them to sit for about 20 minutes, covered in the refrigerator. Livers have a porous structure, so they don't have to sit in the marinade for long. Raw livers, not pretty to look at, but they are inexpensive, a good source of protein, and taste delicious when cooked properly. Next, we prepare our dredge by combining together some granulated onion, granulated garlic, additional Creole seasoning, and self-rising flour. Now, self-rising flour has salt and a bit of baking powder already mixed in, so you get that crispy, slightly puffy fried exterior. Now combine your seasonings and flour in a container for dredging. I use a Ziploc bag for easy dredging and easy cleanup, but use what works best for you. Then you want to remove the livers a few at a time from the marinade. Drop into the seasoned flour and coat them thoroughly. And then transfer the breaded livers to a fryer or pot with roughly 2 inches of neutral oil heated to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the livers have a bit of space between them. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes, depending on the size, until they are brown. The cayenne puree will give them a reddish-like cast, and this is normal. Do not overcook your livers. While the livers are cooking, let's make a spicy dipping sauce. Ingredients are ketchup for the base, granulated garlic, sweet and spicy Tabasco, honey, smoked paprika, and black pepper. Mix all the ingredients together and microwave on 50% for 30 to 60 seconds, just long enough to heat the spices and allow the flavors to blend. And then you want to serve your sweet and spicy dipping sauce with your chicken livers. And there you have it. Deep fried chicken livers with sweet and spicy sauce. Give them a try. You'll love them. I guarantee. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.